Hello everyone, children. In today's video, we are going to learn a new chapter, chapter number 4, an interesting topic that is Introduction to Scratch. And I'm your computer teacher, Neetu. Children, have you heard the Scratch word before? Or have you learned Scratch programming language in your previous class? No, I hope this is the first time you're hearing the Scratch, right, children? Yes. In schooling, this is your first programming language. Why they have given this as your first programming language in school? Because this is very easy to understand. Anyone can easily learn this and develop their own programming language. Nowadays, this is becoming very popular among students because I told you no, with the help of this, you can create your own animations, cartoons, stories, and so on, because all the codes and rules are given within this programming language. Okay, children, so let's continue with our chapter. Can you understand what language am I speaking? What language I am speaking, children? Can you understand this? Yes, I am speaking English and everyone can understand it. Can the computer understand the language that what I am speaking? No, it understands only a few special language of its own called programming language. We will see what is a programming language. Okay, what is a programming language? Have you learned programming language before? Children, we all know that computer is a machine. Computer cannot do anything by its own. Only with the help of human beings, computer can do some work. Okay? Yes, whatever input or whatever instruction we are giving inside computer is called programming, okay, or program. So what is a programming language? A programming language has a set of instructions. Using these instructions, you can make the computer do any activity that you plan. So whatever activity or whatever work computer wants to do for you, what you are doing for that, you are giving some input or you are giving some set of instruction. Okay, it is called as program. The sequence of instruction given to the computer is called what? Program. Okay, who is creating that set of rules or program? Who is creating? Yes, there are some people whoever is creating these programs, and they are no called as programmers. Okay, now see here, what is a scratch? Have you heard this scratch word before? Children, as I told you, this is your first programming language in your schooling. Okay, this is very easy so that you can understand everything very easily and create your own cartoons, videos, games, anything. Okay, children. So, this is nowadays becoming very popular among children, as I told you before. Now, what is a Scratch? Scratch is a programming language that lets you to create your own interactive stories, animation, games, and music. It is easy to learn and use. I told you no, it's your first programming language. Programming language means nothing but we are instructing computer to do something for us with the help of some rules or codes. Okay, and with the help of this you can create stories, animation, games, cartoons also, and also music. It is easy to learn because everything is available inside this Scratch programming only. All the codes, rules, everything is inside. According to your imagination, you will create your own animations. Okay, because all the codes are available inside this. Now see, I hope in everyone's home there is a computer or PC. Okay, children. If you don't have the software, what you will do? Go to Google and search there free Scratch download. When you type this, you will get so many links related to the Scratch, and you can download it very easily from there because it is free of cost. After installing it in your PC, what you will do, double click this and you will get a first page like this or a window like this when you open the Scratch. Okay, here you can see a picture, one cat picture, then one white color working area. Here also you can see some space, and here also you can see so many, yes, so many options are there. Okay, one by one we will discuss this. Okay, first we are going to discuss this area and this image. Okay, children. Now see, I told no, whatever pictures you are using in the scratch is it is called as sprite. Okay, normally we will say as an image or picture, otherwise we will say this as sketch, but in this scratch programming language you will mention this as sprite. Okay, whatever image you are using, you will say it is sprite only. Pictures in scratch is called sprite. Okay, then this white color area is called your stage. Okay, the area where the sprite moves is called stage. Okay, now only not only this image, there are so many pictures available in this scratch programming language. Okay children, so if you want to move this sprite anywhere, this area is called as stage. Now next is, see, in the top you can see three options. One is script, costumes and sound. When you click the script, you will get so many options here: motions, looks, sounds, pen, data, then events, controls, sensing, operators and more blocks. Okay, this script is called as your codes. Okay, whatever program you want to type, all the codes or rules are available inside the script. See, if you want to move your picture, motion is there. Then if you want to change some costumes or some look is there. Then sound is there, pen is there, and so many other options are there. After like in fourth, fifth, sixth, you will learn this very briefly. Okay children, see, when you click this motion, whatever options it has, whatever codes it has, all will be displayed below here. Okay, when you click looks, and whatever whatever codes related to looks, everything will be displayed below. Same like this for all the option. When you click, all the codes or rules related to it will be displayed below. Okay, and see, from here only you will drag and place this option in the script area. So this area is called your script area. For example, if I want to move my picture or the sprite, means, see here, I will click this motion so that all the codes will be displayed below related to movement. Now I want to move my sprite 10 step forward. Okay, see, I will click and drag and clip this in, yes, this script area. Okay, see here 10, 15, so many like numbers they have mentioned. If you want to move 100 step, means what you will do, see, just you click inside this 10 and you can change the number according to your wish. So this area is called as script areas, and inside the script all the blocks are available. Okay, all the codes are there according to your imagination, which you can select from here. Now I told you, no, see how we will drag and place that commands inside the script area. Just left click it, hold and drag, then drop it in the script area. See, this I have explained, and this also I have explained. Now if you want to duplicate, now here only one sprite is there. If you want to duplicate it, duplicate it means you can right click, there duplicate button will be there, you can click that. Otherwise, see here in top, one image is there, one man image is there, you can click that. If you want to cut, scissors image is there. If you want to string it, if you want to bring it into small, means, see, string is there. If you want to zoom it, means that also for drawing option is there. Everything is given at the top. You can check this after downloading. Okay, then see here children, see, if you want more sprite, different sprite images, means you can click this so that one new page will be opened. There so many lot of pictures are available. Okay, fantasy, animals, then birds, different pictures are there according to your, like, if you want to create any story, otherwise games, you will click the sprite and you can click your pictures. See, if you want to paint your own sprite, means, see, paint button is there, you click this, one page will be open, and same like your Microsoft Paint, so many options will be there, they are available there, and according to your imagination you can even create your own sprite. Then if you want to download anything from your gallery, means you can click this. If you want to click any pictures, means you can, yes, click this camera button. Now children, see, I told no, like in scripts. Okay, in scripts so many options were there, like motion, look, sound, pen, so many options are there. Now here this is not given in your textbook. Okay, but why I am giving this options here means only after reading this or studying this only you can create anything in scratch. Okay, see, so all the all the codes are given, I have given here. Okay, blocks, all the block descriptions are given here. You just have a look over this. Motion means, see, move 10 step means move sprite. Sprite means our picture forward or backward 10 steps. Okay, you if you want to change this 10 to 20 means just click inside this and change the number. For example, point in direction. If you want to, if you want to keep the sprite in 90 degree direction, 180 means you can go here. Okay, like all the things are given here. Just read this and understand it. Okay, see, if you want to change the costume means costume button is available in looks. You can change, see, change sprite's costume to next costume from the costume list. Like you, if you want, if you are thinking that your sprite should speak something, your picture should speak something, see here, think, say hello for 2 seconds. Okay, when you click and drag it in the script area, what your picture will do, it will say hello for 2 seconds. Okay, now if you want to give some sound effect means you can go to sound. Now if you want to pen means, yes, if you want to draw something means with the help of pen button you can do that. Okay, see, and also so many options are there, like controls, then yes, events. Okay, see here. Now see, if you want to run or play your after creating the animation, if you want to play your animation means in the top there is one flag symbol, you should click that. Okay, if you want to stop, in the top there is one red color button, you can click that. See, I will show that one time. I forgot to show, so now I will show you that. Yes, see here, after creating your animation, see, if you want to run your project or animation means you click this flag symbol. If you want to stop means you can click this red color button. Okay, now I have given you one video here about introduction of scratch and also how to do basic animation. You go through that video and learn everything. Okay children, after coming back to school we will do this practically in our lab, so that you will clearly you can understand it and you can create your own animations. Okay children, so learn this video. Just look the, just you see this video 2-3 times, then you can understand this concept very clearly. Okay children, so if you have any doubt you can ask. Now we will see some examples. Children, look at this picture. See, all these informations are already explained by me. Now one more time I will inform you. See, this is our sprite. Okay, this is our stage. Now if you want to select any new sprite means you will go here. Now see, what is this green color flag shows? If you want to run your animation, you want to click this. If you want to stop our animation, if we can click the stop red color button. Now see, above there are, yes, see, 5 options are available. First one shows that if you want to, yes, create a duplicate image means you will click this. Scissors indicates if you want to cut your sprite, you can click that. Now this other two. Okay children, now we will see some examples. Look at this picture. All these options are already explained by me. One more time I will inform you. See, this is our sprite, this is our stage. Now if you want to select any new sprite, you will go here. And now this green color flag shows if you want to run your animation means you will click that. Red color button means if you want to stop your animation means you will click this red color button. And also see, if you want to delete your sprite means above scissors is there you can go. If you want to duplicate or if you want to take a copy of your sprite means first one like one man image is there, you can click this. Now Also, if you want to grow your sprite and string your sprite also, you can use this top tools. Okay children, now see here, what is this blue color icon shows? It displays the details about the sprite and its placement. Now see here, I have selected cat sprite, so in stage I have a cat. Okay, now if I want to rotate or if I want to change the direction, means I can go here motion, and from there I can change. Also from this blue icon also you can change it. Okay, you can change the direction and also you can rotate your sprite. Now I want to draw a square. Okay, what I want to select, what blocks I want to select. First I am clicking this pen. Okay, see what does this pen block means? It will provide the trial of the sprite to change the color of the trial and so on. Trial means nothing but it will create a line. Okay, for creating a square, what we need a line. So I am going to this block pen. So from pen I am selecting pen down. Now I am setting a size. Okay, we want to set a size, obviously we want to set a size. Okay, so thickness I am selecting 3. Now if I want to change any, see, if I want to change the size means also we can change the size. Now from here I'm just clicking now color. I want to change the color, so click this set pen color. Here you can change the color. Now I am dragging and placing here. Okay, after this now I have selected the color and size of our line. Now what I want to do, we want to move our line like this. For creating a square we want to move a line, so I will go to this motion block. From there I will click move 100 steps. In the place of 100, if you want to put 50 means, click here and you can change it. Now it should point in straight direction. Okay, so I am clicking here 180 degree. If you want to change the direction means, see, click this one downward arrow is there, you can click that and you can change the direction. Now again from there it should come down, so move 100 steps. Okay, again it should go in this direction, so this direction is minus 90 degree. Write that. Again after coming here I want to change, I am like thinking to change the color of the line. So again from I will go to this pen. From there what I will do, I will set the pen color to different colors. Okay, again it should move up, so point in direction 0. Now again move 100 steps. At last point in direction 90. Now you can see the result. See here, we will get a square like this. Before creating your animation, first of all you should plan. Okay, you should have an idea of what you are going to create. According to that you can select the block and you can select the commands. One more example I will show you. See this is the animation I have created with the help of this commands. Okay, pen down means now my pen command is active for creating a line. I am setting the size to 3, so thickness is this, point in direction 90, so it should move in a straight way. So I am selecting 90 degree. After that I am setting the color to purple. Now switch costume to dinosaurs. I want the dino picture, so I am going to look command. From there I am clicking this dinosaur. Again move it, this should move. So I will go to motion command. From there I will click move to 50 steps. Again I will change the pen color, so it varies. Okay, our idea varies, so don't worry children. If what you want to do, first of all you should plan what you are going to create, then according to that you can, yes, go to the script and you can create your, you can select your commands. Okay children,
we will learn a simple programming language, Scratch. Scratch is one of the easiest computer languages. Children can use Scratch to create their own games, animated stories and projects with great ease. Any task that we perform includes many steps. It should be completed step by step in a specific sequence. Likewise, A computer follows stepwise instructions to complete any task. The set of instructions is known as program. To start Scratch, click on the Start button. Then click on Scratch 2. You will notice the opening window of Scratch. Main components of Scratch. The various components of Scratch window are title bar, menu bar, cursor tools, block help, tabs, block menu, script area, block palette, stage, etc. Let us learn each of them. Sprite. Sprite is a small graphic character that performs actions in a Scratch project. Scratch provides a number of inbuilt sprites. Cat is a default sprite. Stage. It is the main working area where the sprite moves and performs actions as per the given instructions. Blocks palette. Blocks palette contains the set of blocks, which are used to program the sprite and give actions to it. Each block performs a specific task in a project. Script. Script is a collection of stepwise instructions that are given to a sprite to do a specific task. A script consists of at least 2 blocks. Script area. Script area is a place where you create a script for a sprite to do a specific task. The script is created by dragging the instructions from the blocks palette and dropping them stepwise on top of each other. The script is also called a program. Let us create a Scratch project to move the sprite in a circular motion. Open the Scratch window. By default, the motion block palette is displayed on the left side of the Scratch window. Click on the Move 10 Steps block and drag it to the script area. Change the step number from 10 to 20 by typing in the number box. Click on the block. You will notice that the sprite moves the specified number steps. Click on the Turn 15 degrees block. Now drag and drop it on the script area. Place it below the Move 20 step block. Keep clicking on any block in the script area. Observe that the sprite is moving 20 steps forward and turning 15 degrees in circular motion. Know about motion blocks. Move 20 steps. This block moves the sprite 20 steps in forward direction. To move the sprite in backward direction, type the number with a preceding minus sign. Turn 15 degrees. This block is used to turn the sprite in clockwise direction. Click on the Pen block menu. Select the Pen down block from the Pen block palette. Drag out the block and place it underneath the Turn 15 degrees block. Now click and pull the Set Pen Size to 1 block onto the script area. Place it below the Pen down block. Change the value 1 to 10. Drag out the Change Pen Color by 10 blocks from the Pen block palette and drop it at the end. Change the value from 10 to 20. Keep clicking on any of the blocks in the scripts area till the sprite completes its colorful circle. Know about pen block. Let us understand the use of pen blocks, which we have used in the project. Pen down. This block draws a line as the sprite moves on the stage. Set pen size to 1. This block is used to set the thickness of the pen to a specific number. You can change the thickness of the pen by typing in the number box. Change pen color by 10. To change the color of the pen, use Change Pen Color by 10 block, making a duplicate copy of sprite. To create a duplicate copy of the sprite, the Stamp block is used. Drag out the blocks from the Motion and Pen blocks palette as shown. Change the values of the blocks. Click on any of the blocks to create the duplicate copy of the sprite. Notice, as the sprite reaches to the edge of the stage, it will bounce back and change its direction. If on edge, bounce block. This block is in the Motion block menu. It is used to turn the sprite in the opposite direction as it reaches to the edge of the stage. To save the project, click on the File menu and select Save option. The Save Project dialog box appears. Choose the desired location where you want to save your Scratch project. Assign the file name and click on the Save button. Opening a saved project. To open a saved project, click on the File tab. Choose Open option. The Open Project dialog box appears. Select the project you want to open. Click on the Open button. The selected project opens in the Scratch window.